Good morning from Europe. Good afternoon, good evening, guys, whatever you are. Piotr here is Liteforex Global YouTube channel. Tuesday. The second video is gonna be very big dollar video in relation to the Janet Yellen. But this morning, during the London session, we do have final EU CPI reading as well as the German Z index. Now, with the latest euro weakness partially related to the Italian political crisis, partially profit taking ahead of the ECB, and partially profit taking and speculative shorts positioning ahead of the Janet Yellen. Plenty of things, but this morning during the London hours could set up a few nice entries. So without a further delay, guys, let's jump inside and check few euro charts. Quick update, German CPI as expected 0.5. Now, euro dollar daily chart, quick update to what we discussed with the weekly preview. We are going to get back to that chart also around the Yellen speech. Anyway, big breakdown last week when it comes to last post FOMC low, testing or hitting more stops yesterday, as you can see. All right, so still, if you are a euro buyer, when it comes to the euro dollar, probably you are waiting around the big 120 line, right? Or big level of the demand zone around 1960. Okay, so that's how I see the things when it comes to the sellers. When it comes to the buyers, I'm sorry. When it comes to the sellers, there are a few levels I'm going to look for today. It's going to be 21.12. The Thursday low, all right, and then I'm going to look for this post FOMC low around 21.30. So that's the first zone in my opinion. Another zone, possible zone, is a Friday high plus this consolidation breakdown. So now another zone is between 2165, 2185, and that's how I see the things related to euro. Depends if you are a buyer or if you are a seller. The next chart is going to be euro pound. Quick update here as well. The lows we were discussing quite a few times, and the bulls are trying to hold that one. And I like the price action we've seen yesterday. We do have upper shadow, but we still above the weekly open, and the body of the day was positive. So supply, on the other hand, first supply is around 89. So let's switch to the intraday chart and let's have a look if we can have some nice setups. Well, it looks like yesterday late New York bank holiday consolidation plus Tokyo with this especially lower shadow creating the buying opportunity based on this failure over here and 50%. So now looks like ahead of the London Open, market is trying to go higher. Well, what I would like to see, yes, I would like to see retest of that levels. So close to 88.90, 10 pips lower, that could be the buying opportunity from the intraday perspective, but there are plenty of supply around from the intraday perspective. 89.15, right, and then key 89.30. So from the intraday perspective, we're looking for a tiny pullback with the stop below Friday low, Monday open, and targeting 89.30 from the risk reward perspective. That should theoretically favor the bulls buying when it comes to the euro pound. Of course, if you are a euro seller or the pound buyer, okay, then in my opinion you wanna see strong rally, some stop hunt towards 89.65, 89.75. Don't forget, Wednesday is the UK CPI, Thursday is the Bank of England. Well, I think this level might come under pressure again. The next one I want to discuss is Euro Swiss franc. There you go. From the daily chart perspective, we are trying to hold also very, very significant level. I'm talking about the levels close to 107.50. So what is going on? Previous week and few days earlier, strong sell-off, right? But guys, if you are watching carefully, we finished the business and we are trying to create swing low. Okay, of course the first possible supply is around 107.90, 108. So let's switch to the intraday chart. Okay, that's the latest level of the weakness, and we haven't seen the retest of that level yet. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to look for buying opportunity around 107.60 with the target around 107.90 and with the very tight stop below 107.45. That's how I see the things related to the Euro Swiss franc from the intraday perspective. But long term also we have the bullish possibility rally towards 108.75, 109, and the things might change with the daily close below 107.50. So that's Euro Swiss franc from my point of view. And finally, EURUSD. Well, the bulls are under pressure, taking into the consideration a very important level. That's also the weekly open. We've seen a little bit of the lower shadow when it comes to the last week, but I think as long as we are above 155, right, we got the chance to move higher. Breaking 155 will open 152.50, and this weekly breakout consolidation, pre-breakout consolidation, and 150. So 155 is a key from the weekly chart for now. Let's switch lower to the daily chart. There you go. Here we have the weakness we have to take out from the bulls perspective. So 157.20, and then again levels close to 157.90, 58.20. That's the critical level we have to take out as a bulls from the rising perspective, right? If we are going to get back below yesterday low, right? If we are going to get back below weekly open, which has been tested during the Tokyo session, as you can see over here, right? We might see lower levels and we might open 155 discussed a second ago. So overall, this weekly open level might work as a line in the sand. Now, intraday perspective, if there is a possibility to try to trade some longs, well, that's the weakness we've seen previously. Been tested once, twice, or more times, right? So I would like to see stop hunt below 56.50 towards 56.40 and the positive price action to try to trade the long side. Break below 50 from the intraday perspective, break close below that level 56, my open 155 critical level for now. With that being said, guys, very busy week ahead, very busy day ahead. Don't be trapped, work with your exposure. Good luck, all the best, and see you around. Take care, goodbye.